The menu can be created or edited in the Master of Item menu link. To create a new menu, enter the menu code. This can be up to 4 characters. Give a short name to the menu that will be displayed in the Touché cashiering screen. Type in the description of the menu, which is the long name. This section is where the items of the menu can be placed. These are the pages of the menu. Touché allows up to 5 pages for each menu. To place the menu items on the pages, select the item from the list on the right, drag it and drop it on the button where you wish to place. The name of the item can be changed, if required. Define the price of the item for the particular menu. The normal price defined in the item's master is also displayed. The font and the color of the text on the buttons can be set. It can be done for a single button, entire row, entire column, entire page or the entire menu. Choose the appropriate option from the list before selecting the font and the color. The size of the buttons can be increased or decreased by using the arrow keys. The field of Item Printer is the kitchen in which the KOT printer is present. Select the kitchen from the drop-down list. Clicking on the small button on the right of the field will open a list of kitchens that can be selected as additional kitchen for the menu item. A faster way to update the kitchen for all the items in the menu is by clicking the Update Kitchen button. This will open a small screen that displays the item group of the menu items. Define the kitchen and the additional kitchen against the item group. Click the OK button to complete the process of creating the menu. To open an existing menu, select the menu code from the drop-down list in the field of Menu Code and tab out. New items can be added, existing items can be removed or edited. Remember to click the OK button to save the changes in the menu. An easier way of creating a new menu is by using the Copy Menu button. It allows you to copy an existing menu to a new one that can be edited as per the requirement.